In a competency-based approach, the learning is held constant. Other things like time and pacing are often allowed to vary. This means that students can often accelerate their progress through a course if they are able to demonstrate proficiency on the required competencies. In theory, students that require more time to learn concepts and develop skills are given the time needed to reach proficiency. Since we work within a system that is still based on traditional approaches to logistical things like financial aid, course grading, scheduling, and so on, implementing a pure CBE approach can be challenging and requires some give and take. The reality is that there are often certain time parameters that instructors and students must work within when it comes to completing coursework and demonstrating proficiency. It is important to think about how time will impact a student's ability to complete a CBE course. Several questions may surface as the time factor is considered. Is the workload appropriate for the amount of time designated for the course? Can a student accelerate and finish the course early? If so, what, if anything, does the student do with remaining time in the term? What happens if a student needs more time to complete the necessary work? Are extensions or incompletes appropriate and/or viable options to consider? How do you, as the instructor, help students stay on track to complete coursework on time? Are due dates appropriate for your course? If you do not have set due dates for assignments, how do you encourage students to not procrastinate and to get started early in the term? How does pacing influence your ability to provide timely feedback and opportunities for resubmission? The guiding principles behind a CBE approach can make it challenging to fit a CBE course within the parameters of a traditional structure, but it can be done. With some careful thought, it is possible to minimize the influence of time and help students realize the benefits of a competency-based approach. Take some time to think about your CBE course and how you might approach the issues of time, scheduling, and pacing.